This folder will contain the naive Bayes code, and this is naive Bayes sentiment classification tutorial that I downloaded. So let's rename this one. And let's create a new folder. And copy this one. And let's rename it. And this file will create and populate the database. So the name of that database will be data.db, and this code will create and populate the document table, which contains restaurant reviews. So let's go ahead and run it. And let's rename this one. So we will no longer need this hard-coded training data, since this function will be returning it. And let me move this one to here. And here let's replace those two with a driver function that will take the hard-coded data in this case. And let's go ahead and test run it. And this function will pick up data from the database. So let's import SQLite. So the name of the database is data.db, and we are doing a select on the document table and adding the heading to the returned data. And for the purpose of this tutorial, we have all the data in lower case. So all of this will be in lowercase, even this one, it will become lowercase, and this one. And let's call it from here. And here we go. And let's go ahead and create this file, CSV file, that will contain the data, and this function will pick up that data from that file. And we need to do this import. And we have commas as delimiter. And we are removing the white spaces and only returning lowercase data. So let's go ahead and call this from here, and test run it.